Hello, my name is Dr. Faizan, and today we are going to discuss one of the most talked about topics among young doctors, which are the USMLE expenses. So here you go.
Here we have our USMLE pathway expenses. So we broadly divide them into some fixed costs and other variable costs. So the first is ECFMG and My Health expenses. So the My Health setup and ID verification costs about $100. ECFMG certification application includes $560. Credential verifications require $200, and pathway verification for ECFMG certificate requires $925. The second fixed costs are the USMLE exams. So the step 1 costs about $900, step 2 $925, and step 3 $955. So the subtotal of it is $2780 when the step 1 and 2 are taken outside of the USA and Canada. The third one are the study resources. So UWorld for step 1, step 2, step 3 or NBMEs can cost you anywhere around from $1,000 to $1,200. The fourth one are the observership costs. So most of the observerships offered at university hospitals are free of cost, but some of the observerships can cost you some money. So, including the administrative, insurance, and background cost, it can anywhere be around from a $0 to $3,000. The fifth one are the travel and the living expenses. So, for a 3-month observership, here are the costs. First, the visa fee. Visa fee is around $185. Now we talk about the flights. So an international flight can cost you anywhere around from $1,300 to $1,600 for a round trip. A mobile package in the US can cost about $40. Housing for 3 months can cost you $1,500 to $3,000. Now it can vary, so a monthly rent can be anywhere from around $500 to $1,000. Food expenses per month can vary from 200 to 300, and the transport including domestic flights, Lyft or Subway can cost you about a $1,000 for 3 months, which makes a subtotal of 4,600 to 6,800 US dollars. The sixth and the last expense are the residency applications. So we take an example of applying into 100 programs for internal medicine. In this, the ERAS token costs $165. Applying to the first 30 programs would cost about $11 per program, which is $330. The next 70 programs would cost $30 per program, which is $2,100. The ERAS application fee total for 100 programs costs about $2,430. The NRMP fee is $70, so a subtotal of applying to 100 programs comes down to about 2,500 US dollars. It is important to note that extra travel expenses, including going back to the US for step 3 or physical interviews in the US, might cost more, including flight tickets and accommodation. At the end, our estimated total budget in 2026 for the USMLE pathways falls to about 13,000 US dollars if the trip is very well planned to 18,000 US dollars, which in Pakistani rupees costs from 35 to 55 lakh rupees. There is one point which might be beneficial for you people to know is that when you are paying from a debit card from Pakistan, you might be charged about a 12% tax. So if you have a family member who is living abroad, you can always request them to pay for you, and you can then later pay them back in Pakistan.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.